Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's take a look at the new arrival. Just came in today. This is all there is for a box. Cardboard box. This came from Amazon.com. Just a little over $100. It's got like a $200 value. It's called the NMY Drone 3. It's a GPS brushless motor camera drone. It's folding and it has a carrying case. Let's get inside there and see what we got. Alright, looks like there's no box inside a box on this one. Carrying case. Hope everybody's doing well. Ready for the big Christmas holiday. Oh, all that stuff came out. I'm gonna take it out anyway, so that's okay. Also, guys, this is gonna be the new giveaway item for the Christmas month. So I'll be listing that video here later today with instructions on how to get involved and get entered to win. Get your chance to win. It's free. All you have to do is be subscribed and leave a comment. Let's go ahead and do it on this video, why don't we? So if you're paying attention, let's go ahead and if you leave me a comment below and just say free drone, something like that, or just comment whatever you want, and we'll randomly pick one commenter on this video. It's not going to be like a technical giveaway video. I'm just going to start incorporating that into my normal video so they can still get watch time, rather than just a giveaway video that'll bottom out pretty quick after the giveaway. So you get a whole bunch of extra props with this one. I think it says like 24 extra props, which is good. So in case you like to crash a lot, or you're just getting started and you make a few accidents, make a few boo-boos, bump some walls, or run into some trees. It happens, folks. It happens to the best pilots. Sometimes you just have an off day. But yeah, there's plenty of props in there. I'm not going to take all of them out. That would take me a while. But anyway, you see there's a whole bunch. This is under 250 grams, so it does not require to be registered through the FAA. You can fly this without, but just obey the rules and everything will be okay. Hopefully they'll let us keep flying our drones. We'll see. Okay, so we got the USB charging cable. There, it's USB and then a micro USB. Handy screwdriver. Some extra prop screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4 prop screws in case you lose any. Those are handy to have. Nice ones here with the white tips. That's just about 8 of them right there. We have another USB-C, and this is for your transmitter. Right at the bottom, so you can charge your transmitter with that. This is a really nice looking remote. It has all your digital display, so you can get your telemetry back to the remote. I always really like that. I like to know what's going on in real time. Okay, let's look at the batteries out here. They're supposed to be high capacity batteries, 3000 milliamps, 7.4 volt, lithium polymer, or lithium ion. These are lithium ion. There's the battery, good size battery. Power button there. It doesn't have any indicator lights. I do like that when they put them on there. That's okay. You should have some telemetry on the remote to tell you. This kit comes with 2 batteries, which is very nice. It'll keep you flying for up to 40 minutes, 20 minutes a piece on the batteries. Alright, last but not least, let's pull this drone out and unfold it. Check it out. Front arms up first, back arms out second, or last. Let's get rid of this. Set it down nice and slow. I don't pull the paint job off. There we go. Like that, guys. It's really lightweight, but that's what we have to do to be able to fly without a registration. So keep that in mind. That looks really nice. Nice brushless motors. Folding props, which is really good. No rubber feet. I wish it would have had rubber feet. I always like that. I'm a sucker for rubber feet. Got a nice little camera there that you can move up and down. It has EIS. It is a GPS drone, so you have all the GPS functionality. Alright, let's go ahead and bind the drone to the remote. See how that all works out. Let's plug our battery in. Oh wow, look at that. Comes right on quick like. Put all this stuff away so I don't blow it all over the place. I've done it before. Tested a lot of drones. There's bound to be stuff like that happening. Alright guys. Now all we need to do is turn on the remote. Looks like it auto binds, so you don't have to do anything with the joysticks. Just turn it on and let it do its thing. You have your GPS button over here. Looks like GPS mode is automatically on, so let's go ahead and long press the GPS button to shut that off. It'll give you an indication right there on the display. You can see the drone battery, transmitter battery. So the transmitter needs to be charged. And it's best to have your transmitter charged all the way before flights, just so you don't have any issues. You can probably get away with flying for a little while on a weak transmitter battery, but I wouldn't recommend flying a long time like that. Anyway, let's look at a little bit more of the functionality. You have your gyro calibration, like compass calibration, the unlock and lock. Let's go ahead and try that. There we go. It's like just like butter. Starts right up beautifully. I'm not sure. I'm never sure if it's going to shut off when I hit the unlock button. It looks like the down throttle will shut it right off. Sometimes when you hit the unlock button again on some models, it'll want to do an auto takeoff or auto land. So just keep that in mind. Be cautious of that. Which I test a lot of drones, so I need to be cautious of that more than most people probably. But something good to think about. You have your return to home button up top here, your camera up and down. Imagine your speed right here. There's speed 2, speed 3. Camera, short press to take a picture, long press to take video. Same to stop the video. Got your camera. Look at that. Very cool. Oops, I hit the gyro or something calibration there. That's not a good gyro calibration. Let's redo that. Oh, that's the compass calibration. So it's clockwise. Till you hear a beep. Oh, maybe that's headless mode. My bad, guys. That's on headless. There's the gyro calibration. You may have to do the compass calibration in the actual app itself, or maybe by doing it with the joysticks. Oh, that's the unlock. Unlock the motors. Okay, so that's not going to do it. There. That's a gyro calibration. Another way to do it. Just go in with the joysticks and hold it. So calibrated that. Let me break out the manual real quick and see what it says about the compass calibration. I will be right back with you. 1 second. Okay, here we go. Just long press the gyro button. and now you're in compass calibration mode. So clockwise, spin in a 360 motion till you hear beep. Camera up, spin in a 360 motion clockwise till you hear beep, or 2 beeps, or a series of beeps, or whatever they want to do. So now that drone is calibrated, ready to fly. So optical flow mode, we'll just long press the GPS when you first start it up to turn it on. GPS mode, just long press it again to turn it back on. It looks like we have 10 satellites inside here. It's pretty impressive. It's got a strong receiver. And that's always a good sign. Excuse me. So don't forget to leave me a comment and get entered into this new giveaway for the NMY. Let me look at the tag here again. NMY. It's the Drone 3 they're calling it. They don't really have much more than that to offer you. The NMY drone from Amazon.com. Get your chance to win today. Thanks again, guys, for all your support. I appreciate all that you do for me, and continue to keep coming back and watch my channel. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye.